this point where every time I don't know what to do with something, I just kind of throw it in my closet and I shut the doors. So it has gotten pretty messy. I don't even have just clothes in there. I have so much other stuff. All right, yeah, let me open these doors up. Yeah, it's pretty bad. This door does not stay open, apparently. This help, maybe? Okay, that seemed to work. Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you. So I just took out a bunch of trash. I literally just had like bags of trash in the back of my closet. I'm still like a really messy person, but I've gotten so much better than I was as a kid. When I was a kid, I was literally just too lazy to like throw my trash away, so I just like shoved it back there. I found this bowling pin from my 5th grade birthday party. I found this Santa hat. It says angel on the front because I am an angel. Ew, I hated that. That was gross. Another thing that I'm having trouble getting rid of is like some of my stuffed animals. I actually have like hundreds, and I'm pretty sure they're all in a bag upstairs in my attic, unless my parents just got rid of them without telling me. I don't know why I have such a hard time getting rid of things, but I need to donate some of these stuffed animals because clearly I don't want them if they're just sitting there in the back of my closet. Some of them I cannot get rid of though, like this little Chewbacca. Wait. See, like, how the fuck am I gonna get rid of that? I can't. I'm not going to. My Pikachu, I actually won this at the state fair. It did cost me like $30 in tickets, but I did win it. So, and I'm also keeping my little Captain America because one of my friends gave this to me, and also he's just so cute. They're probably still just gonna sit in my closet, but like, I just don't have it in me to get rid of them. Okay, it's just too much. But I am gonna be getting rid of like some of my other stuffed animals. Some other interesting finds: green shamrock hat. You know, if you're like born on a holiday, it kind of just becomes like one of your personality traits. I was born on St. Patrick's Day, so when I was a kid, I just had like so much fucking green St. Patrick's Day stuff. I need to get rid of this. Found some sweatshirts. I found, oh my god, I remember this skirt when I was in 7th grade. I remember it was my first time at the mall without parents. I went with one of my friends, her mom, and she just dropped us off, and it was like such a big deal to me because I had to convince my mom that I should be allowed to do that. And then I bought this skirt from H&M, and then I tried to wear it to school, and then my parents got really mad at me and said it was too short. So yeah, I can probably donate that. Goodbye, random green stuffed animal lion. Okay, that's fine for now. Now I'm gonna start like actually going through some clothes. I'm either going to be keeping, donating, selling. I think I need to just take everything out. My room is about to get so messy. Okay, I guess we're doing jeans next. I'm not sure if this fits me. Am I ever gonna wear a black skater skirt again? I feel like that's very 2014 Tumblr, and I'm just not really sure that that's my vibe anymore. I'm thinking it might be too big. If it fits over my shorts, it's definitely way too big. This is not the proper way to do this. Okay, yeah, I don't think this fits me. Okay, see, the fact that I can put it over my shorts and there's still breathing room, yeah, I think this is too big. I should just get rid of this. I want so badly to be a jumpsuit person, but they just don't look right on me, and I always end up choosing something else.
Today, we honor a man.
Okay, I just finished going through all of my dresses. I actually got rid of a lot of stuff. I'm very proud of myself. I settled on keeping my prom dresses because I actually really like those. If I ever went to some fancy event, I would like those maybe. But my homecoming dresses were all just like, they kind of just screamed like 15-year-old, and I'm just never gonna wear them again. Next thing I'm gonna do is go through my heaping pile of jeans. These aren't even all of them. Some of them are in my laundry, and I think some of them are in my dresser. Okay, I really didn't get rid of a lot of jeans because, I don't know, I just like a lot of them. Okay, back here is where I have like all of my jackets, and there's also shoes down here. There's also all this stuff. I I just finished dealing with all of my jackets. I did donate quite a few of them. I've already filled up like an entire trash bag with stuff I want to donate, which is really good. But now I need to go through this shelf. Oh my god, I own like 3 variations of this top. So I have this one. This one. I also have this one, which this is the one that I always choose because this one actually fits me. I'm that kind of person that in the dressing room when something doesn't fit me, I just like convince myself that I can make it work. I'm like, maybe I'll get bigger boobs. I am 19 years old. I am not gonna get bigger boobs. But I think I might try and sell those other 2 because they were kind of expensive. I just finished going through all of my tops and stuff. Now I need to go through this, and then I just need to do shoes.
Are you?
Okay, my room is getting so messy. Oh my god, there's shit everywhere. I'm sitting on my big pile of jeans right now. Next, I just want to go through my shoes. I have a really hard time getting rid of shoes. I have a really hard time getting rid of everything. I'm a hoarder. These really hurt my feet. These aren't even real Vans. They're knockoff Vans. They're from Target. They were like 20 bucks. And you know what? They feel like they were 20 bucks because they hurt my feet. I have so many pairs of black combat boots, but I just don't wear them anymore. I always wear my Doc Martens. Again, served me well for a while, but I just haven't really worn them in like a year. I don't know why I ever thought I was gonna wear these. These are like so not me at all. I wore these to my middle school formal, and I have not worn them since then. So originally I said that I didn't want to deal with everything that was up there, but I feel like I should. Don't know what this is. I don't know why I felt the need to keep this for this long. I think this was a Halloween costume from like years ago. Me awkwardly squatting so I don't have to adjust my tripod. I didn't film at Target because I don't like filming in public. Okay, so I got this overpriced basket, but it was really cute and I don't know, I liked it. Where the fuck are my scissors? I am so sorry if the lighting is bad, like genuinely so sorry. I got this thing. I was originally gonna get a shoe rack, but it was just way too heavy. Like I couldn't even lift it into my cart. And I was like, yeah, there's no way I can put this in my car. But this was on clearance and I think it'll do the same thing. Hey guys, it's the next day. I just got really overwhelmed yesterday, but I am back in an outfit that is only slightly different than yesterday's. Yeah, I don't know, I tried to build this yesterday, but I was just getting really overwhelmed. But yeah, now I'm gonna try and build this thing. I love when step 1 takes me 20 minutes. Oh my god. Motherfucker. Oh my god, that almost took everything out of me. My battery's kind of low, so I'm just gonna organize some shit and then I will show you what we are looking like. This is the finished product. I'm so happy with it. I honestly cannot believe how I was living with it before. There are a few new changes that I made. First, I added some string lights because my closet is super dark and before I was literally using a phone flashlight to pick out my clothes in the morning. I also thought the lights made it more aesthetically pleasing. I don't know, moving on. I also got these command hooks to use for my jackets and bags instead of the hooks I had before because those were way too big for the door and just kind of bulky. I have my belts on this hook in the back now, which honestly works way better for me because I really only wear like 4 belts. Up on the top shelf, I just have some long-term storage and just things I don't really need constant access to, like some stuff for my apartment and sentimental items. And lastly, we have my shoe rack, which was such a struggle to build, but I'm so glad I bought it because it is 1,000 times better than the giant pile of shoes I had before. I also moved around where I was hanging my clothes, like I moved my jackets over here and my dresses up there. Overall, I'm super happy with it, and it has made getting ready in the morning so much nicer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this was entertaining, satisfying or something. But yeah, I will see you guys in another video. Bye!